In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make new list on Freshsales. A new list in Freshsales is created by saving a filtered view. This is useful when you regularly need to pull up the same set of people, like leads with a specific job title, contacts in a certain region, or records that match any criteria you use often. Once you save the view, you can return to it anytime without rebuilding the filter from scratch. Start by looking at the left sidebar in Freshsales. Decide what kind of list you want to build, then click either leads or contacts. Choose leads if you are working with potential customers you are still qualifying. Choose contacts if these are already established people in your database. After you click into one of these sections, you will see the main list page with your records. Next, go to the top area of the list and click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. This opens the filtering bar, where you can narrow down the records you are viewing. Take a moment to make sure you are filtering in the correct section, since a filter saved under leads will not automatically appear under contacts, and vice versa. Now click Add Filter. You will be able to choose your criteria. For example, you might set a condition like job as CEO or any other field that helps you define the group you want. Select the field, pick the matching condition, and enter the value carefully. Accuracy matters here, because the list will only include records that meet the exact criteria you apply. When you are satisfied with your filter settings, click Apply. You should immediately see the list update to show only the matching records. Once your filter is applied, look at the bottom of the filter bar for the option labeled Save View As. Click that button to turn your current filtered results into a reusable list. Enter a clear name for your list, something that will make sense later when you are scanning your saved views. Then choose the visibility. Select Just Me if it is for your personal workflow, or Everyone if your team should also be able to use it. Finally, click Save to finish creating the new list. And that is all there is to it.